I told Kyle they were in the rig, and by rig I meant this rig.
Yeah, so I'm asking like where they are. Little do they know.
I'm excited to open up this package of that Maxspeedingrods sent us. We got 2 different toolkits and coilovers for the Z. Shut the door. We'll use the Miata as our table.
Use the back, use the back.
Oh. Kyle, grab the knife, buddy. Feels like success.
Whoa. I don't trust you with that thing. Oh, my God.
Easy, bud.
Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Team Beanie Beans. Wow. Let's see what we got here.
Don't do that. You're gonna ruin it. Okay.
Oh, my goodness.
All right.
Oh, that's cool.
Comes in a little carrying case, dude.
Wow.
Maxspeedingrods, dude. This is like an exhaust expander. You like put it in and you tighten it, and these 2 things go into it. See how that is? You like tighten it and it like expands the exhaust. So like if it's not mating up properly, you put this in, you open it a little bit, it'll slide right over.
Yep, this is useful for all the kids that are trying to do straight pipe on a budget. This is the straight pipe tool, literally.
And it even comes with extra rubbers in case it breaks. Nice.
We got this other
toolkit
another
here.
Fancy case.
Wow.
Open that one.
How nice.
Compression tester.
Wow.
Always nice to have. It has all these different attachments, dude.
Bring this to all the cars we buy that are probably.
Yep. You can test them out, dude. This is a nice little kit.
Not bad.
Let's get to the real gold here. Also, Maxspeedingrods has a bunch of tools on their website, so go check it out for other tools. I'm surprised that this got shipped to my door so fast.
Yeah.
Also, like it was like
Yeah, they mean business.
2 days shipping.
They mean business.
Wow.
Whoa. Those front ones look great.
So do the rears. Look at that. It's on like a little. This is actually very nice. It's got dampening too.
Wow. Dude, they're getting your Z ready for the track.
Yeah, thank you guys.
Look at that quality suspension.
Wow, these are really nice.
I like the orange too. My asshole is literally leaking. They package it nice too, not a single scratch. We're gonna go ahead and install these on my 2004 Nissan 350Z.
I'm just gonna plop these down a little bit closer to the vehicle. Like here. Another good look at them. How about that?
They're very aesthetically pleasing, I have to admit.
Yeah. This is like forged, I was reading. A rigid steel spring. I looked them up.
I didn't read the brochure.
And then, you know, this is high strength steel as well. So, adjustable coilover.
Step 1, remove the wheel. Dude, the keto is working, dude. You used to be able to bust those open with ease. Now you're 20 pounds lighter, dude.
I know.
You're having a little difficulty. You don't have enough weight to do it anymore. He used to not even have to like put, like it looks like he's like kickstarting a dirt bike now. He used to just put his heel on it and it just boom. It just give way. Dude, ketosis.
Yeah, go look at the toilet.
Jeez. Oh, whoa.
You gotta watch where I'm stepping, man.
Watch out, buddy.
It's almost in the litter box.
He did not.
What? Oh my god, the top of the nut blasted open.
And he painted them red.
Jeez.
He put capped lug nuts on.
Yeah, on
and
the studs are too long.
Yeah, way too long.
We need a 1/2-inch gun.
Yeah, we do.
Help her pop the hood.
Yeah.
I think you have to take this strut bar thing off to even get up in there.
Oh yeah.
Step 2. Take this bolt off right there.
You want to slam it?
Well, when the weight's on this, it closes, Kyle.
That's true.
So I took the first one out. It was all blown. I got the Maxspeedingrods I'm gonna put in now. Got the spanners. Gonna go ahead and raise this bad Larry all the way up. What's really nice about this is it comes with everything for the stock hookups. Line me up, dude.
Helper.
Yeah. All right. Yep. There it is.
Wiggle.
There it is.
Say wiggle the top a little bit.
Some new nuts.
They do look good in there.
Yeah, they do.
Dude, that's not bad. Can you get the jack out? Oh yeah, that low pro, dude. That's definitely slammed.
Calm down, dude. Two fucking breaks everything it touches.
Ooh, it looks a little bit lower. It's definitely lower, dude. Does it feel stiffer? It looks way stiffer right there.
So we got the other side already done. We're taking this side apart. All you gotta do is take the upper control arm off, this bottom bolt for the strut, like Bada. Helper. I need your secret sauce.
That I don't have any more of.
Oh, give me that secret sauce. Why is it all wet? Because it's blown.
Is that all the like shock oil?
Yeah.
Whatever they call
But
it.
thanks to Maxspeedingrods, we got new coilovers.
This video is sponsored by Maxspeedingrods.
Maxspeeding.
Oh, Kyle, you broke it.
Oh no, I broke it.
Dude, I am known as the at this point, so.
Give me the Sin Pinareens. Give me the Sin Pinareens. I can't reach it.
What's the coupon code for your percent off on these?
You get 15% off for anything on maxspeedingrods.com using coupon code SCENEPINKS.
He's not kidding either.
It'll be in the description below, baby.
It's literally Scene Peens.
Scene Peens. Well, we got the front side all done. Look at how nice that looks. Pristinarine.
We got a whole crowd out here, dude. Oh, dumped.
Well, thank God you put coils in it, though.
I know.
Yeah, shout out Maxspeedingrods, dude.
Sponsored by Maxspeedingrods. Because they're the best company known to man.
Yeah, they're sponsoring you for Pro-Am drifting.
Honestly, great customer service with them. They respond very quickly. So we're gonna go ahead and get started on the rear. Gotta take the, obviously gotta take the wheel off first. Let's go ahead and unbolt
The strut.
Yeah, maybe I should unbolt the strut first. So you take, that one comes out obviously, there's a bolt on the bottom, 2 nuts on the top. Then you take this bolt right here out. This drops, you put your foot on her, and it comes right out. Look at that. Why is this so
Leaning tower
crooked?
Pisa.
I think it's because the rubber, like, whatever that's called,
Put that in the bottom. Put that on the ground.
it makes it flat.
It does. However that sits.
Yeah, something like that.
But,
Is this fully low? Are they the same height when they're sitting like that? Yeah.
Look at that. But this is a lot stiffer. So. Well, look at this also. So I mean, maybe you'll get like 2 inches.
Dude, that spring is so much smaller looking in there.
Yeah.
Dude,
Like,
you're gonna
this
be
is-
tucking rear.
Yeah.
This is stiff. I need a measuring tape too. Dude, the Maxspeedingrods, it feels like it's gonna be stiff, which is what I was looking for. But you can adjust any ride height to how stiff you want it, how you can adjust it. And that's what's great about Maxspeedingrods coilovers is that you have full adjustment in every aspect of these things.
Oh wow.
That's pretty. You have a lot of camber now.
Dude, I don't think I even need to roll them.
You're gonna need alignment.
Squish it. Like, open the trunk or something. Yeah, you're good. This won't. It's gonna be real close, but that will never touch the tire. I don't think.
I think
Yeah, I think I'm good for now. Like, if I get wider tires, I'm gonna have to
Oh, yeah.
roll it or cut it or do something. But this is perfect. Like, as it goes down, it's just gonna
It adds
it'll
more camber,
yeah.
and then this goes even further away.
How does she low?
This thing is low, dude.
Yeah. So I mean, dude, this thing's low as. Maxspeedingrods is the way to go for a cheap and reliable coilover. This is looking good for 250 bucks. Ain't no one coming close to that. This is the last coilover we have to put in.
Wow. Nice.
Right, dude.
Oh.
Oh boy.
Alright, now what? Step 1, remove the cornucopia. Step 2, replace the cornucopia.
Step 3. What's step 3?
Step 3 is test drive the cornucopia. If it doesn't leak or sputter, then it's probably not your cornucopia.
Kyle, where is this bad, Larry?
Yeah,
Right
yeah.
behind you, buddy.
Right here, bud.
Did you do the?
Maxspeedingrods, dude.
You already did it.
Exactly.
Wow,
What's the
Maxspeedingrods.
coupon code? What's the coupon code?
The coupon code for 15% off is Insane Paints. It'll be in the description below. Check out what they got.
Get on over to Maxspeedingrods and enter the coupon code SceneFiends for 15% off your next order.
That was really good, dude.
Yeah, you should be a spokesman.
that was. You're gonna screen cap that. That's a straight Tinder profile pic.
Like a overly cheesed face.
Yeah, holding the coil like that. Yeah, right there. Dude.
You should be a spokeswoman, Kyle.
Oh, I should. Yeah.
Sick fitment, dude.
Thanks, buddy.
Is yours on? Yeah. Mine's on.
Okay. Seen rain. So we're just finishing up the install. I had to take this off to get the nuts off the strut. But if you look here, there's a 32-way dampening on this thing. I'm gonna put it all the way stiff. And yeah, that's nice. It's a nice little added feature to these bad Larrys.
Yeah, I got the strut bar back in for stability. Goes right over the coilovers. Hopefully, AJ has a stiffer ride that he wanted.
Dude, they actually ride a little bit better.
These are way nicer than the other ones.
They really are. There's a little bit of a clunking in the front end, but that has nothing to do with the coilovers. I have really bad bushings on my lower control arm, so, well, if they hear it at any point in the video, that's what it is. Dude, it feels stiffer.
Yeah, it feels good.
They actually feel great. all I gotta do now is the front control arms, and it's literally perfect. Like, these are way better than whatever was on the car before. It had like lowering springs, but the quality of these, perfect. All right, guys, so that's the end of this video. Thank you to Maxspeedingrods for giving me the coilovers and the toolkit that they gave us. The coilovers ride great. I'm honestly surprised in how good of quality coilovers they are for the price. You can't beat it. I recommend it to anyone. If you're looking for a good, cheap coilover, this is the way to go. Thank you guys for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, follow us on Facebook, follow the Patreon. We'll see you guys in the next one.